There's an elephant swimming. He just submerged and now he's coming back up in the Chobe River here.
Yeah. And the hippos wouldn't go for him, or a crocodile.
There he went submerged.
That would be a good idea.
Tail up.
Crocodile not to try to attempt on a big guy like
Submerged
that.
head first.
Because if he does, then he will have a story to tell his friends.